Good morning, ma'am. My name is Fabian Rodolfe, and my course is Business Administration HRM2D, and my topic is all about organization, constraint, and training design. So now, what is organization, constraint, training design? In theory, training design is a quick, easy task. Medyo madali lang daw siyang task. In actually, there are numerous constraints to overcome all through the training design process. There are many ways in which these constraints may manifest, and all of them are challenged to conquer. Okay, now let's proceed to facilitation of learning focus on trainee. After the learning objectives are established, it is necessary to design training activities around those objectives. So let's proceed to number 1. Variation in KSAS. Ano ba meaning ng KSAS? So ang meaning ng KSA is knowledge, skills, and abilities. So ito, variation in KS among the trainee. While the majority of trainees will have similar basic KSA or knowledge, skills, and ability, that will be some variations that will create the challenge during the training design stage. Variation means mga pagkakaiba-iba daw, habang ang karamihan ng mga trainee or mga nagsasanay ay magkakaroon ng katulad na mga pangunahing KSA o knowledge, skill, and ability. Magkakaroon ng ilang mga pagkakaiba-iba na lilikha ng hamon sa yugto ng disenyo ng mga pagsasanay. Number 2 is diversity and motivation levels among the trainees. The training designer must develop a training program that remain the trainees motivated to learn. So yung training designer daw is dapat habang nasa training is dapat makabuo siya ng isang program sa training na mananatili o magsilbing motivation ng mga training upang matuto. Okay, so let's proceed to number 3. Goal setting among the trainees. Individual goal setting can help a trainee obtain more out of training, which will direct to better consequences for the organization. So ang individual daw na pagtatakda ng layunin ay maaaring makatulong sa isang nagsasanay na makakuha ng higit pa sa pagsasanay na magdedirekta sa mas mahusay na mga kahinatnan para sa organisasyon. So next is facilitation of learning focus on training design. So syempre, how people really learn. The most common theory on learning is known as social. In order to successfully design a training program, it is a must to appreciate. Ang pinakakaraniwan daw na theory o teorya sa pag-aaral is kailangan kilala daw siya bilang panglipunan, upang matagumpay na mag-design o magdisenyo ng isang programa sa pagsasanay. Kailangan pahalagahan, kailangan doon is pahalagahan nila para magtagumpay daw. Yun lang po. And that's all. Thank you, ma'am.